What's up guys, Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing Roblox and I got some Robux yesterday. I got 800 and I got down to 40. Now I know what you're thinking. Where did it all go? And if you're playing Booger Booger again, really? No, I'm just showing you what I got. You go into servers, I have made my own private server. So I invite a few of my friends to private server, like Genuine Cow, Cheesecake Savage, because he plays that game along with me sometimes, most of it. And I also, with my Robux, like a few years ago, I remember it being 9 Robux, but yeah, times change. People need more Robux. So if I go into natural disasters, I'm going to show you, I'm going to play a bit too, just to show you what it does. I'm pretty sure you know already what it does. Now, so with Robux, the ultimate power of Robux, I got a balloon, as you can see. And there are some in the back of the gardens. Turn the volume up, and if you jump, it goes high, let me show you. Ooh, volcano. Oh my god, pure destruction. Look at that. Oh no, it's meteor. Come on, nowhere. But if you can see, I have an animation. I have a robot animation. I have a robot jump. That's weird. It's like, okay, stop jumping it. No way. A few people survive actually. If you see a bird, look at me. Look at me jump here. I need. I want that. I want that biscuit. I want that biscuit. But it was 80 robots, and that's not. I'm one, two, three. I'm gonna first person. Jump. Actually, I want to see myself. Um, this is third person. Yes, third person. I normally play first person if you realize. Hey, it's got balloon too. Balloon buddies. Balloon buddies. Yeah, I got balloon buddies. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I wonder what disaster it's okay. Is this a tall structure? Wait, wait. It can fly away. Oh, Mary Poppins. Oh, I want to do the same thing. He's savage. Is there any more seats? Oh, help me. Oh, I died. And now you know what that thing does. It basically makes you jump higher. And boom. Oh, another thing I want to do is play Welcome to Bloxburg. Now, I have enough for it. So, let's click it. Click, click. Buy access. Continue. Yay, I can play it now. If it was, you have to go, you have to pay 25 Robux for it every time. I'd be furious. Because no one would be playing that. So, this is the first time I'm playing Bloxburg. Because you just watched me buy it. Loading. Loading. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. Why the only one? I'm the only one. Oh no, I'm not the only one. Waiting, done. ABC format. Oh, I died. Waiting. Right? I can't put down. But here in the house. I can't see anything. Okay, now change the houses. Not really. Crazy houses. I have 2,500, so I think I have to get this one. Falcon Lab. No, HQ. Falcon HQ. Mhm. Okay, I'll come over. Who is this guy? You look like me. What is with me? Tom, Tom, welcome to Bloxburg. Since you were here, I just want to say hi. Okay, thanks, nice to meet you. No problem. Is there anything I'd like to do with please? Please tell me about Bloxburg. Sure, Bloxburg is a small city in the heart of Robloxia, right? It's also the fastest growing city this year. Also, all the houses, what is in the city centre. Restaurants, entertainment, relaxation. Please tell me about Bloxburg. I'll tell you when I'm done this chat. Okay, guys, we're heading to Falcon HQ. Now, this is nice. Like this. Glass of water. Great. Yay. This is ooh, this is really fun. I just want to explore the rest of the house. Do not disturb me. Get out. Go away. Go away. Go away. This is really fun. Like really, this is really, really fun. Oh, it's nice. I want to know where the bedroom is. Is it? I haven't explored this part yet. Oh, here's my. Nice. Oh, book. I can read book. You learn a new skill. What? Intelligence. Skin tone. I like how it is. What? Okay. I like how I am. I need to turn the TV off as I can gain quiet mode. Uh, uh, uh. So guys, I decided to be a fisherman, and I don't know where to go. So I'm going to talk to my friend here. Um, I don't know what I do. Please help me. Talk. Mate. So, what you want? Why can't I do something? I just grab a fishing rod and to your right and go down the water, mate. Mate. What you want? Goodbye. Which way? Which way? It's too dark. Okay, I'll be back there in the morning. Let's go to my house. Because I'll show you the new and improved Falcon headquarters. We're gonna sleep. At least that's what I want to do. Because we're about tired. So this is the power of Robux. This is what power of Robux can get you. The power of love will overcome me. There we go. I'm a fisherman. Where's my hair? Oh, and there's Mr. Zombie. Oh, I'm at my house. Dang. Well, it's fun to also fun to play. Hey, you look just like me. Oh, you're the guy I talked to. Okay, so how am I doing? Hunger? I'm hungry. I'm gonna cook myself some food. Can I cook? Um, take ingredients. I have a salad. Eat, eat, I'm cutting the ball. I am making mix. I'll go to the party, sure. Oh, no. Okay, yeah, so we're going to a party. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm starving. Oh, oh, salad? Yum. Great fun. You want me to stalk or what's in here? Oh, her bed. Okay. Microwave, shower, bathroom. I need those, so. I need those, so. Leave me alone. Wash my hands. There we go. Dum, 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 dum. There we go. How's the party going? You say, no, I'm not donating money. My money, I keep it, so. Where's she live down from there? Oh, it's, wow, this TV. He's really good at this game. Well, I think, guys, next time I play, next time we do this in a video. Oh, there's my house over there. So she's right across the road. Next time I play this game, it's probably gonna be better. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.